Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today you can see that we have a cutting of our baby sunrose plant. In its botanical name is Aptenia cardifolia, but now in these days its name is changed to messembryanthemum cardifolium. Now we can take one cutting, we can remove its leaves, okay, and we can put it in water. Okay, we have to remove some of the water so that we can dip it properly. One thing you should have to make sure that its leaves must not touching the water, except the the stem must be submerged, but leaf must be above the water. And after 2 months you can see our result. Now you can see that we have a lot of roots within the water, okay, and roots are a bit dirty. Why it is so? Because the water in which we have placed these roots is a bit containing some sort of algae and some dirt as well. If you put this plant in pure and clean water, its roots must be purely whitish, okay. Now you can see all sort of roots, and one more thing, that its stem also used to grow a lot. First few days there are roots, and then after it starts growing some tertiary and auxiliary stems, and also it used to grow on the tip as well. So you can see our results of 2 months. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel.